Hi guys, this is Maria Vega here with the Open Flamenco Project, your online place to learn everything about flamenco and Spanish dance. So today I'm not alone. I'm so pleased to be with my friend and amazing percussionist Demi Garcia.
Hi everyone.
He will be doing a whole video about the basics of playing the flamenco cajon, and also he will be explaining about the rhythm in our series about the flamenco compás or palos. So keep an eye on these videos, guys. It's gonna be really great having Demi with us in our channel.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna talk about a little bit about the Cajon Flamenco. The Cajon Flamenco is very new in flamenco. Before we didn't have any instrument, was more like with the palmas and as well on the top of the tables. They used to do a lot of sounds like, and the footwork with the dancers. The cajon comes from Peru, from South America. Basically, the maestro Paco de Lucia, guitarist, went to Peru for a tour and saw this instrument. Like it's very common in Afro-Peruvian music, and he was touring with Rubén Dantas, an amazing percussionist from Brazil. And basically Rubén Dantas before was using more like bongos, congas, pandeiros and different instruments, and they saw this instrument and they love the sound. Basically the sound of this instrument, it works very well with the guitar, no? With the 9 strings, because it's not too loud, like you have always like a bass and a snare sound, no? More or less. And it's very acoustic, works very well with the Spanish guitar. Like for example, I use sometimes the drum kit with the normal sticks, and sometimes doesn't cut through so well with the Spanish guitar. Anyway, it's quite new from 1980s, and after, well, because in the Peruvian sounds without, they don't have guitar strings. In flamenco we have guitar strings inside and sometimes some bells as well, and that's why you get this kind of more like a snare drum sound.
I really hope you enjoy these videos with Demi. It has been a real pleasure to have him in our channel. Remember to please like the videos if you enjoyed them. And also remember that you can follow either Demi and me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and other social media platforms. Also please remember to subscribe to this channel to keep watching videos about flamenco and Spanish dance. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye.